of the Executive Board of the Philippine Bangsamoro Basketball League
for the period of January 2024 to December 2025.
for the period of January 2024 to December 2025.
Do hereby solemnly swear that I will assume all the responsibilities of my position. That I'll abide by and uphold the structure and bylaws of the Philippine Bangsamoro Basketball League. That I will contribute towards the attainment of its objectives. That I will serve in the best interest of the PBBL in particular, and the Filipino community in the United Arab Emirates in general. I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without reservation, or purpose of evasion. So help me Allah.
So help me Allah. Congratulations!
Lahat ng officer sa picture tayo. Lahat lang po ng officer.